Well, with regards to the statement of graduate attributes, the one I feel is most important with regards to working in information technology is to continuously learn in a changing environment. In information technology, updates continue to evolve daily, so information technology continues to grow. So it's important that as a graduate working in information technology, you're able to keep up to date with these constant system upgrades and changes in technology. The other attributes that I feel are important are to have a global perspective, clarity of communication, and information expertise. Now, with regards to having a global perspective, you may be working as an IT consultant in a multinational corporation, so it's important that you're able to understand the environment of other countries and be able to understand other cultures, as more than likely you'll be communicating with all types of people from different backgrounds and different nationalities. And that relates to the second point, clarity of communication. So on a daily basis, you're going to be communicating with people within your team, perhaps senior managers, on a variety of levels. That could be face-to-face, on the telephone, or via email. So it's always important they're able to use communication effectively to get your point across, and it's essential to business functions. And finally, information expertise. So for example, you may be a software developer, and as such you'll need to keep up to date with the latest technologies relating to programming languages. Now, if for example you're required to use independent learning, you'll be using the internet, and you need to be able to ascertain which piece of information is reliable and which isn't. And again, that relates to information expertise. So referring to one graduate attribute, clarity of communication, for example, you could be working as an application support analyst and you've recently installed a new system upgrade. Now you may need to explain to the end user, so perhaps working in an investment bank, you'll explain to a trader who's perhaps not used to using this new technology on how to use this new piece of software. And you'll need to be able to explain to him clearly and concisely how to implement that. So again, this comes down to clarity of communication and whether you'll be able to explain in layman's terms clearly and concisely how to use that. So it's really important that any graduate working in information technology not only has a sound technical knowledge, but is able to communicate effectively within the business. I think the statement of graduate attributes is an excellent project, as it encourages students to focus on key competencies which all employers require. All employers will have their own set of competencies what they look for. However, the statement of graduate attributes encompasses all of these. These days, employers are not just looking for people who are strong academically, but are well-rounded individuals with a variety of interests. So they're not just looking for people to perform in their function, but fit within that organisation and build rapport within the team that they're working with, which is why I believe the statement of graduate attributes is a really important project.